Damn, it's locked.
Of course it's locked. What crazy person has 6 locks on the door?
Maybe let's go in there. Come on.
What's taking so long? I told you guys we only had a few minutes.
Still got it. Butters.
How did you figure out how to get that unlocked?
The magic touch, ladies. If you ever want to try sometime, just let me know. Oh! Damn!
It's not working. Girl, let me do this. I got it. We're in. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Zoyla, the woman responsible for warning you about the breakout. We know the government does what it does best, hide the truth from people. Because of their cowardice and stupidity, millions of people have lost their lives over the past few seasons, including some of the best of us. My love, Joe. He wants us to help others. That's why we're here. I have proof, real proof, that everything I've said is true. Play the tapes!
Hurry up, get the keys, let's go.
But I ain't scared of no motherfucking leaves, nigga. I ain't no zombie. Cause we ain't scared of no motherfucking leaves.
Classic.
Berta! Berta, I'm sorry! Berta!
We ain't scared of no motherfucking.
Where did you get popcorn from?
Don't worry about it.
Alright, we don't have time for this. Play the next one.
Belinda! Belinda!
You okay, honey?
Who you calling honey?
Stand behind me.
What happened?
I thought that was you.
No. What are we gonna do?
Who is it?
Who do you think it is?
Oh, son, dude. Oh, what have you been eating?
You, if you don't let me be and finish what I'm doing.
Want some popcorn instead?
I'm kind of in the middle of something.
Well, come talk to us after you're done.
Cut the feed!
Hey, yo, it's Abe the Snowman.
Abe! Hurry up! They're shutting us down! Hurry!
And don't forget the white and flush.
Cut the feed now!
And now for the weather.
This is disgusting, Sergeant.
Okay.
You have to see this, Colonel.
Gonna go see what the captain wants, but we will finish this later, Greenhorn. Do my eyes deceive me?
I can be certain because you're Trump. I think we'll be standing in secret land. The birthplace.
We dare not speak their names, Captain.
What's going on?
Don't get too comfortable, men. We're in enemy territory now. Gather around quickly. This message is from my old squad member from Nam. He was the most savage individual I ever had the privilege of serving with. His name was Captain Dick Krabs.
Was?
Is this thing on?
What's taking so long?
Can't a man get any privacy in his own home?
Why, are you trying to be alone with that doll?
I'm not.
Whatever. Just hurry your ass up, Dick.
Dick. Let me see your hand, Lieutenant. What? Did I tell you, prick? How about we go for a little walk, shall we? What did I do to end up with a disappointment like you, prick? So where were we, Captain?
You good, bro?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm gonna go take a piss real quick. Hurry on back, Lieutenant. Is there a problem, Sergeant?
No, sir. Ready to continue on?
Right, let's get back to it then.
That was the first monster. Remember his characteristics and his mannerisms well. Now on the beastie that controls the winter.
This guy looks like the abominable snowman.
I've been hunting this asshole for more than a decade, and I finally got him tracked to his home base. Today is his day of reckoning. But before I go, I need to share the intel that I've gathered on your double, James. These aren't the greatest pictures, but they're the best that I've been able to get. Don't let his appearance fool you. He's cunning, crafty, and cagey, but I have identified a weakness you can use.
Trar had the whole river to himself and peace to the crown.
That's not piss. Look alive, boys. It's bird flu season.
No signal, Colonel. You think it might be?
Shh. Stay alert, boys. The beast may be upon us. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
You don't abandon your crew, Colonel.
I don't know about you, but I'm not going out this way.
No.
Let's fry this giant chicken.
Yeah.
Everything okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You scurvy dog. You killed the beastie.
Sure did. I got that feathery bastard. The Chupacabra is dead. Come on, help me bag him and tag him so we can rendezvous with HQ. Chupacabra. Captain! Get away from the colonel!
Oh, bugger.
Let him go.
Oh, I knew you cared.
Sure thing, sonny boy.
Ah!
Performance issues? Run, little rabbit, run. I love the hunt. Makes the prey the more tasty. You okay?
Jeez! Ah!
What am I gonna do? Where you going? Damn it, kid! Get over here!
Stop! What's going right here?
You're never gonna get in.
What happened? You can't swim!
So? You're on my land now, kid. There's no escape. What are you gonna do now?
Think so?
Honey, is everything okay? Sorry, was I interrupting something?
No, honey.
Okay, well, put a little pep in your step. You don't want to be late for your first day at work.
Really, this? Loser?
My brother is gonna get me out of this mess. And you will wish...
Wish what? You know what? It's your lucky day, kid. I'm gonna grant a wish of yours and bring those brothers of yours here. That way, I can watch that smug look on your face disappear when he starts to beg for his life.
No, William!
Watch out, Williams World. This bird is swooping in for a visit.
No!
What's wrong with you?
No, nothing.
You not like it?
No, I like it. I think it's good.
Okay. I don't know. What I think you need is a cup of coffee classico. Straight from the Pyrenees Mountains. 1 cup and it'll make you feel like you're on the Spaniard mountainside.
Thanks. Sounds great. Pour me a cup.
Oh, I gotta go. I don't want to be late for work. Please lock up.
Hey.
Hey, you Yeah. I left a surprise for you outside. Have a great first day at work.
You too. Have a great day.
Okay, bye.
Bye, honey.
Bye.
You can still go, even when there's no hope. You can still go. I never answer to no, man. I still go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway, and in the driveway.
Come on, you know it's not nice to stare. I was gonna grab a bite to eat. Oh, gosh. You want anything?
Oh, no, I'm good. I just ate.
Well, you wanna stay and hang?
You know, I would really like to, but it's been a really crazy day at work. Been getting a lot of calls about that prank broadcast.
Yeah, that was wild. What was up with that?
I have no idea how, but a bunch of college kids snuck into the station.
College kids.
Yeah, well, hey, I gotta go. I gotta get ready for the 5 o'clock news.
Come on, you gotta have the easiest job in town. What are you, the weatherman? Tonight's gonna be partly cloudy, no chance of rain, 0 rain ever, 70 degrees. Back to you, Veronica. Take it away.
Whatever, man. You sound kind of jealous right now. I mean, you have the perfect life. You got a nice little cozy job, and you got a hot wife at home.
Yeah, I guess so. But can I tell you a secret?
Yeah, what's up?
I feel like deep down sometimes I'm like meant for something more. Like I gotta get out of this town and go out and use my skills and change the world. You know, like, you ever feel like that, Marv?
No, not really. But I don't have your imagination, buddy, so. Anyways, you know why we didn't leave town. You know what? Forget work. Why don't I go get you a sandwich? What are you in the mood for?
Yeah, it's just like turkey, cheddar.
Cool, cool.
William, you have to listen to me.
Who are you?
You have to listen to me. You're in danger. There's eyes everywhere. You have.
Where? Get off! Get off
danger.
of me!
You're in big danger. Listen to me. Don't
Of
listen
what?
to anything.
Of what?
Lying. Everything I say is a lie. You have to come with me now. You're in danger.
Freeze! Don't move! Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here, come here. Quit fighting, let's go! Get in here. Get her in, get her in, get her in, get her in. Go.
Let me go.
Be quiet.
Let me go.
what's wrong?
Don't move, don't move.
Just let me out. Just let me out. Where are you taking me?
Go on, left. Go left, go left, turn left, turn left. No. So. Yo, where is that?
What are you doing, man? Get out of the road, Big Bird. Move it.
Let me go! Let me go! Let me go!
Where's William?
I don't know.
Fucking liar. Where is he?
God, please have mercy on me.
You're praying to the wrong God, sweetheart.
Okay. Tell me it one more time.
I told you 3 times already, man. Why won't you believe me?
I don't know. I was only gone for like 5 minutes. Even this story seems out of it for you.
I'm telling you, this crazy lady just came up to me and she just started spewing all this nonsense.
Crazy Kathy. She does that to she called me like 3 weeks ago.
Okay, but what about all the masked men that came up with, they had guns, Marv?
Well, her name's Crazy Kathy. She probably owes someone like drug money.
Well, Crazy Kathy came up to me and said that people are watching me, Marv. She said people are watching me. It's just not making sense. The gunman?
But I think you're just overthinking it. It's really not, like, we're good.
Marv.
We're good. I think, you okay? Have you got enough sleep?
I'm getting down to the bottom of this. If you're not gonna help me, that's fine. I'll see you later.
Wait, hey, come on, don't be like this, Billy.
Honey, you are not going to believe the day that... What's wrong?
What is this?
That's nothing.
Then why did I find this taped to the top of the toilet? I can't believe you. This is a beautiful woman, and you know we've been trying to start a family.
Honey, you know that I love you. That you're the only woman for me, right? I'm sorry, babe. I really am.
Yeah, I'm sorry. You know how I get sometimes.
But today was just insane. I was gonna go get lunch with Marvin.
Okay, sir, I'll find out.
Who are you talking to?
You silly? Said you seen a crazy lady named Kathy and you're in danger and you gotta hide out.
I didn't say any of that.
No. You did.
No, I didn't! How did you know that?
Whoa,
And who are you talking to?
Put the knife down. You're scaring me. Let me go! Let me go!
Answer my questions, woman.
Let me go.
Now!
Get me the fuck out of here! I know his white ass would go postal on me one day!
What are you doing?
Go! He went cray-cray! I don't get paid enough for this shit! And that's it! This is the last time you'll ever put jelly on this biscuit.
Hey, where are you going?
I'm out this bitch. That's what I get for messing with white boys. I should have listened to my damn mama.
You know you have a contract and you can't leave.
And fuck that contract. I quit. And that's on period, fool.
No, please. Wait. Just wait. Oh my God. Run! Run!
Put it down so we can talk.
No. I'm good right here.
Come on.
Get out of here, Marv!
Can you see yourself right now? I mean, take a look, okay? You can trust me. We have been best friends since 6th grade. Okay, look, I know you're going through some stuff, but this is not the way to do it. Please put it down. See, look, I'm sure that's Marie. Go get a drink. I'll bring her in and we can talk all this out. All right?
sorry.
See, Will, she said she's sorry. Why are you...
You be quiet. I'm gonna kill you. See for the kid.
Run, Will, run!
Hey, there you are, buddy. I've been looking all over for you. Why don't you be a good little boy and come with me?
What the hell are you?
Can be your best friend or your worst nightmare. Don't make this hard.
Ha! Got your ass!
Please, I'm sorry. I'll let you do whatever you want. Please don't kill me.
I don't have a problem making women wet, honey.
Hey, stop this madness.
What's up, Doc?
Why are you doing this? These are innocent people, man.
Actors. Innocent. They get paid to lie. But if you care about them so much, why don't you tell me where William is?
I can't.
You're fine then. Their blood is on your hands.
Please stop. No more. He went. He's over at the park.
Was that so bad? Now, which way to the park?
Have you seen Aaron?
No, I haven't, but we can't be here.
Why? I must go find my
I
level.
mean, we have to go.
Who's coming? What is that?
Hola, mommy.
Come on, let's go!
Running is just gonna waste time. Piss me off.
Hands off my lady, you foul creature.
Aaron, be careful.
Stay back, my lady. I have this hand. You haven't won yet.
Okay, my love.
Yes, I am.
Let the lovebirds enjoy eternity together. Come on, let's go. Soldier Boy's been waiting for you. William's World. It's been real, it's been fun. Can't say it's been real fun. Chupa signing out. Peace. Honey, I'm home. Hope you don't mind. I brought some company.
Billy, Brian, get over here now! Big Bird can't swim! What the hell? Come on, bro. Snap out of it. Please. You need to remember how special you are.
I feel like, deep down sometimes, that I'm like meant for something more.
For everyone who this creature is trying to take from this world. Billy, you're our last hope.
Tiffany the Radiant, I pledge my allegiance and call upon your grace to put an end to this reign of terror.
Be careful. She's dangerous.
No, man. She's beautiful. Can you help my brother out?
That worked. Thank you.
You really are a beautiful butterfly.
Now come on. There is a world I must decimate.
Wait. Decimate?
I must rid the world of its poison of mankind.
So you're gonna kill us?
No. Not the two of you. I've always wanted pets.
Where to, m'lady?
Mom. Wi-Fi's down. What? What happened to you?
That bitch fried me! That's what—
Language! I don't care if you're some sort of a god, don't scream at my daughter like that! Do you hear me?
Come on, Mom. It's okay. He's hurt. Why don't we get you inside? Get some rest?
Don't understand. She'll ruin everything. We need to find him before it's too late. Give me the phone.
Hey! What are you doing? Who are you calling? Have any friends?
I have friends.
He doesn't have friends.